Welcome back. We shall be looking at the tools panel today, and I'll be showing you the essential tools, and I'll be opening up my document. So this is the tools panel right here. Let me undock it for clarity, and then put it back on the side. So usually the tools panel is usually on the left hand side of your workspace, and we shall be looking at like the essential tools. I could say this is the selection tool. This tool is used to select objects. For example, if you have a square, so this is a square. Maybe let's make it an orange square. For example, it's a square. It's not selected at the moment, but now I've selected it. And when you select it using the selection tool, it appears like that. The other selection tools are the direct selection tool and the group selection tool. These are my favorite tools. Now let me undock them from the tools panel. You can see them properly. So the direct selection tool is what we're going to start with. The direct selection tool you can select the square direct, but what I usually use it for is, it has so many uses. You can use the angles to soften, not soften, but to make the square corners soft or round. You can use it for that. Or you can move the corners of the square to any direction you want. I've moved it to a direction that causes the square to become a kite-ish shape. You can also move like sides of the square with the selection tool, like that. Or even on this side, you can just do that. So that is the direct selection tool. The shortcut for the direct selection tool is A on your keyboard. And then we have the group selection tool. The group selection tool actually helps when you have multiple pieces of work on your artboard and you want to select, when you have multiple pieces of work and some are grouped and you want to select a specific object in a grouped piece of work, in a grouped object or in a grouped collection of objects. So far we've looked at the selection tool. It's used to move and resize objects. The direct selection tool is used to modify anchor points and paths. F9.